Portable induction cooktops allow you to cook almost anywhere you can find an outlet, from your back porch to a dorm room to an RV. They don't emit heat but instead make your pan hot using electromagnetic induction, so they work quickly yet are cooler and safer than other portable burners. For this update, we also reviewed several specialty burners designed for precision cooking, cooking along with recipe apps, or working with larger pots and pans. We also tested one double burner and two entry-level commercial burners just for kicks. Here is the 5 best portable induction cooktop. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. Here is number 1, NewWave ProChef Induction Cooktop. Want hotter temperature or need to cook it longer? Simply adjust on the fly anytime. The digital controls are easy to operate, and the response is immediate. NewWave cooktops are the first to revolutionize the industry by introducing precision temperatures to induction cooking, meaning it meets industry durability standards, passing a drop test with an impact of 1.5 foot-pounds. Cook with confidence knowing ProChef glass surface won't break, crack or shatter. With 52 precise temperatures at your disposal, you can keep delicate sauces warm at 100 degrees Fahrenheit to grilling a juicy steak with serious grill marks at 575 degrees Fahrenheit. Melting chocolate could not be easier. ProChef heats the pot directly without heating up the cooking elements first. ProChef is lightweight and portable. The slim design and its patented insulation technology brings the heating coils closer to your cookware than any other induction cooktop for faster and even heating, ensuring no hot or cold spots for optimal cooking experience. Number 2, NutriChef Double Induction Cooktop. This professional digital countertop dual induction cooker by NutriChef is equipped with 2 circular top panel heating zones with independent configurable temperature zone setting and a digital LCD display screen. Switch from one cooking mode to another just one press. This has a manual cooking function with fry, steam, and water mode for easy cooking, and an automatic warm function which keeps the food warm for later serving. This product is also equipped with a built-in child safety lock which locks all the operating buttons of the cooktop to protect the little ones from injuries such as scalding. This double burner is compatible with steel, cast iron, enameled iron, stainless steel, flat bottom pan. This heavy-duty 120V electric induction cooktop cooks food by using electromagnets, so no heat is lost between the cooking surface and the pot, which makes it highly energy efficient, and it also makes cooking a lot easier and faster. Number 3, DuckStop Portable Induction Cooktop. DuckStop Induction Cooktop uses 110/120V 15-amp electrical outlet standard in all North American homes. ETL listed and built to North American electrical standards. It is lightweight and compact for easy handling and storage. Portable induction burner is perfect for dorm rooms, home kitchen. With an 83% energy efficiency, induction burner is more efficient than traditional gas or electric stoves. DuckStop Portable Cooktop is perfect for bringing water to a boil quickly and for all of your cooking needs. Touch control panel, child safety lock keeps the cooking and timer settings from being accidentally changed once they have been set, fast boil button, keep warm button up to 10-hour timer button. In order to use this and any other induction stove, you need to use cookware with a magnetic bottom. The auto pan detection will shut the unit off automatically after 60 seconds if no cookware or the incorrect cookware is detected. Please allow the induction cooker to cool down before cleaning. Number 4, Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop. The double induction cooktop offers the ultimate in cooking flexibility, adding 2 induction burners to any kitchen, or any place without a kitchen. Induction technology offers an exceptional cooking experience, with instant heat up and consistent, precise heat throughout cooking. Each burner has its own heat setting control, 150-minute timer and on-off switch. The smooth glass surface looks sleek and wipes clean. It's ideal for entertaining and holidays when cooking for a crowd. And its compact and portable size makes it ideal for small spaces without a kitchen, such as dorm rooms, boats, patios, or RVs. Induction technology for fastest heat up, bright LED displays. This is a versatile and powerful tool that's a great addition to any kitchen, big or small. Refer instruction manual before use. Number 5. NewWave Gold Precision Induction Cooktop. The NewWave Precision Induction Cooktop Gold offers precise temperature control with the simple press of a button. With an expansive temperature range, adjustable in 10-degree increments, the PIC Gold can cook as low as 100 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 575 degrees Fahrenheit. The portable PIC Gold features 100 hours of memory that allows you to program your favorite cooking procedures, as well as a delay function that allows you to initiate cooking when it's most convenient for you. The wattage is even adjustable, letting you choose from 600, 900 and 1500 watts with the press of a button. Induction-ready cookware, such as stainless steel pots or cast iron pans. The PIC Gold cooks without any open flames or red hot coils, as well as an automatic shutoff feature, making it much safer than traditional stovetops.